Hey guys, it's Em with Em and the Gang. Today I'm gonna do a Canteen Cup Tuesday meal that is meant for you vegetarians out there. I know there are lots of vegetarians who love to camp and who love to hike, but a lot of our Canteen Cup meals are based on meat, so this one's for you. Today's Canteen Cup meal is going to be quinoa with toasted pecans and spinach. I hope you like it. Okay guys, let me show you what I've got today. So I've packed everything, well I've kind of unpacked it already, but I packed everything so that I could take it on a hike if I wanted to. This is Parmesan cheese. This is the Arctic Canteen Cup that my daughter loves so much. I've got a canteen with some water. And this little pill bottle is olive oil. I've got the spinach. I have utensils. And then I have the pecans. And in the pecans, I also have some garlic chopped up. And then here's the quinoa. And I've already added a little bit of olive oil to the quinoa because I love how that tastes. Oh, and I also have the Light My Fire mess kit that I love so much. I used it last week in my Canteen Cup. I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. But anyway, so that's what I've got to start with, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so to get started, what I need to do is I need to go ahead and cook the quinoa. That's what takes the longest in this recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my Canteen Cup over the fire, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the quinoa in, and it's already been rinsed, so it's gonna stick to the bag, but that's okay, I don't mind. I mean, I've got plenty in here. I've got about a half a cup, and I might not use all of it. Actually, I think I'm gonna try to use all of it. Yeah, so obviously since I rinsed it, and I put a little bit of olive oil in already, it's not all gonna come out of the bag, but that's okay.
Hey, what you making?
I am making a vegetarian meal. It is quinoa with spinach and toasted pecans.
That sounds good.
Yeah, I think it's going to be good. What are you doing?
I'm sorry, I came out to mow the yard, so I'm sorry I'll probably be making some noise. I'll try and be quiet.
Okay.
How long is this going to probably be?
I'm hoping no longer than the next half an hour or so.
Ooh. So a fairly quick, kind of, not super quick, give me a meal.
Yep.
Okay, bye guys.
So obviously Mike's got some stuff he's got to do. The kids are also off doing some things. So I'm just going to make this meal myself. So here's what the quinoa looks like. It's a really small, it's a grain. And I've got it over pretty low heat. And I'm just kind of stirring it around a little bit to kind of toast it. And then I'll add water and boil it, kind of like you would a rice. Okay, so I can smell these. They're starting to toast a little bit. You can't really see that they're starting to toast, so I'm not really going to show it to you. But I'm going to go ahead and put the water in. There's a half of a cup of quinoa in here. So I'm going to put enough water to cover the quinoa, and then just a little bit more. It's basically like rice. You want to put twice as much water as the grain that you're cooking. But because I went ahead and rinsed it and had it in the bag with a little bit of water on it, I know that it's already absorbed some of the water. So all I need to do now is I just need to bring it to a boil and let it boil for a little while. So I'm going to put it over the hotter heat and then bring it up to a boil. Once you bring the quinoa to a boil, you need to slide it off of the high heat and let it just kind of simmer a little. Okay, so now the quinoa is pretty much cooked, and I'm going to transfer it to another dish because we need to toast the pecans and get them ready and cook the spinach because that's what's next. So I'm gonna try and get as much as I can out of here. I mean, I know I'm not gonna get all of it, but it looks delicious. It's cooked nice and translucent. Here, if you've never seen cooked quinoa, let's see if it'll, I don't know if it'll focus on that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yum. A little bit of olive oil in there. Gonna mix it up a little bit. And I'm gonna put it's funny, these pecans, I put some garlic in here because I wanted to toast some garlic with the pecans just for some added flavor. And so I went ahead and put them in the same bag because they were going to be toasted together anyway. So now I'm going to just toast those over kind of a medium heat, just until I can smell that they've gotten roasty toasty. I'll show you this way instead of moving the camera. Don't they look yummy? So anytime you're toasting any sort of nut, like a pecan or really anything, you need to really stay on top of it because it can happen really fast if they get burned. So I don't want that. I just want to bring the oils out of the pecan and out of the garlic and have it mixed nicely and just get a nice little toasty flavor to it to add to that quinoa. Alright, so the next thing to do is we need to put in the spinach. And I'm going to put it right in the same container. It has already been rinsed. It's got a little bit of olive oil on it. And it started to wilt a little in the bag already, so this is going to be fast. I'm just going to go ahead and add it in. It's not going to want to fit, of course, but you know it's going to shrink to get it out of the bag. Because I want all of this goodness. What you doing, Mike? Oh, sacrifice to the fire god.
If you drop it near the fire, you have to put it in the fire.
True. Hey, buddy. Alright, so let me show you this. Okay, there's my photo bombers, video bombers. This is the spinach and the pecans are in here. I'm gonna mix it up really good and then cook it over low. Here's my quinoa that I cooked earlier in the same canteen cup. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. It's still warm. I'm gonna add it in and I'm gonna stir it in. Let's see if I can show you here. So here's the quinoa getting mixed in with the spinach and the pecan mixture, which is already mixed in too. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Okay, so you know Mike's a meat and potatoes kind of guy, or a steak and onions kind of guy. But what do you think? Smell good?
Good enough to try.
Good enough to try? It's pretty hot right now. I'm gonna add some cheese.
Well, I was gonna try what's not after.
Well, I was gonna add some cheese. Yeah. Yeah. Probably good too. Or maybe. Okay. So you can eat it as is, or you can add cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle on some Parmesan. And I obviously brought too much Parmesan, but
Blasphemy.
Blasphemy. I know. Cheesehead Chris would probably say the same thing. No such thing as too much cheese. Was that a thumbs up, Mike?
Yep.
Okay. I'm just going to remind you to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you are a meat and potatoes kind of guy or a steak and onions kind of guy like Mike is, be brave. Give this a try. Take a look. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yum. Now this is a lot. I'm pretty sure 2 people could share this. This is a lot of food. This is really good. Really hearty. Really flavorful. I would challenge anybody to give this a try. It's really good. This is going to be my meal tonight. Thank you for joining us for Canteen Cup Tuesday. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely check out the other collaborators down in the description. They have their own Canteen Cup meals that are, I'm sure, fabulous. So definitely check them out. And subscribe. Comment to them. Come back. Check us out another time. Oops. If you're interested in seeing bloopers from any of our videos, go to our Patreon page. I'm not kidding. We've got lots of bloopers. And for one of our tiers is for the blooper reels, and you'll love it.